Hello friends, we are going to see the demo of the Adobe Scan. Go to Play Store, search Adobe Scan, install it. It will take few seconds. Now I am opening the Adobe Scan. You continue. An option for a whiteboard, book, document, ID card and business card. I am selecting document. So it is capturing the document automatically. Then we are able to make some modification. The first option is a retake. Now it's a crop. I'm able to adjust the crop up and down. Next option is rotate. Used to rotate the document which we scan. Then we are having various filters like auto color, original color, auto color, lightweight, grayscale, whiteboard. So we have to choose the appropriate one. I'm selecting the light text. Next, there's the option adjust. Here we are able to adjust the brightness and contrast. So I'm increasing the brightness or decreasing the brightness. Contrast also increased and decreased. Next is a cleanup. You're able to drag over. The drag over areas can be erased. For example, I'll show you I'm removing the bottom line. So fill with the surrounding color option is selected. I'm removing the bottom line. So the bottom line got erased. You want to select a particular color, select the second option. Here I'm choosing a red color. So here inside you are able to select a color or what kind of shade you need. For example, you want to select a green. Okay, the red square will get a green. So on the right side bar, you have to choose what kind of color you need. For example, yellow like this. So you will choose whatever color you want. So I'm selecting the red. I'm choosing a red. Now, if you want to erase something, the color will come. So I'm able to increase and decrease the size. In the top, I have two option redo and undo. I'm selecting undo. So everything will be removed. So if I select a redo, it will appear. So redo and undo option, the arrow symbols, left arrow and right arrow, the right curved arrow. To finalize whatever I made changes here, I have to select the tick option. Now the document is ready. Next we are having a markup option. In the markup, use your finger to draw on your scan, zoom in to better precision. Okay, you will use a finger to draw on. I'm using my finger. So I'm able to draw the lines. I'm able to change the color like this. Something I want to write, I can write. Here I am having a stroke width. If I increase the stroke width, the size of the line will get increased. If you decrease the stroke width, size of the line will be get decreased. Here it is a opacity. I can increase or decrease the transparency. If I reduce the opacity, the transparency will improve. See, choose some other color. Now I will show you. Okay. So this is the thing. You are able to increase and reduce the opacity. The transparency. If you reduce the opacity, more transparency will be there. If you increase it, it won't be transparent. Again, it is having a redo and undo option in the top. I am undoing all the changes. It is not necessary for my document. So to save the changes, I am selecting this tick mark. Next is a resize. A lot of options are given. Out of it, A4 portrait, A4 landscape, likewise A3 portrait and landscape, A5 portrait and landscape, US letter, US letter landscape. So US legal portrait, US legal landscape, these are the options. So I'm choosing A4. This is a resized page. I'm finalizing it. Now everything is over. Okay, then if it's a rebound, you have more than one document, you are able to reorder it by using this next option, which is on the bottom. Next, you want to delete the document, you will select the delete. So I'm saving it as a PDF file now. Now the document will get saved as a PDF file. We'll come here. I'm able to share it. First option, share it. Okay, I can share it through email. I can share a link or share a copy. If I share a copy, all the applications apps are shown here. I'll choose appropriate one. The top it will be deselected. Next, if you want to share it through the email, you can select the second option. So email as a link or attachment. You want to link as attachment. I want an attachment. Now it will be shown here. You will send it to the email whatever you want. So next, I'm back to the scan here. For example, likewise, you are able to scan it from a whiteboard, book, and document, ID card, and business card, whatever you want to scan, you are able to scan here. Next, I'm going to scan a business card. Scan, we are having two options here, auto detect and no crab. No crab, we will adjust. Auto detect, it will detect automatically. So likewise, we are able to rotate it, and we are having a filters. Various filters are for business card. We are having various filters: auto color, light text. Okay, I'm putting it to proper size and adjust. Increase and decrease the brightness, contrast. So here it is a cleanup. So I want to remove the top using surrounding color. For example, I'm removing the top. It is removed now. Likewise, undo and redo. Here we are able to choose the color which you want. So to go out of the cleanup, you have to remove the cross button in the top left corner. Then likewise, we are having a markup. We have a stroke width and opacity. We are having some auto shapes here. You are able to fix the auto shapes. Auto shape you want to remove it. Select the cross button. You want to increase the size. You have to drag it in the bottom. Drag it in the bottom. You want to remove this. You move here. You can move. You can put a finger on it and move it to any place. To remove the shape, you have to give this. To remove the shape, you have to press this cross symbol. I am going out of the markup. So here we are having a resize A4, A3. All the options are available. US letter. So I'm selecting the US legal portrait and fixing it. So you want to delete the image, delete. Same time you want to go for a retake, you can select the option which is given in the left corner. For example, I'm selecting the retake. Again, we'll go for a retake. You want to delete the resize here. You want to delete the image. Select the delete button. Image will get deleted. So you want to finally you completed everything. You want to save it as a PDF. Go to PDF. It will be saved as a PDF. You have to now you will share. It's a preview. This option is given here. You can see how your preview is look like. To share, you can share to email, share a link, email. You want to copy it as a link will get copied. You can paste it anywhere you want. And you are able to export to PDF, and you have to combine to some other file. You can set a password for this. You have to get a licensed version of Adobe. So by selecting the camera symbol, I'm able to back to scan again. To go to gallery, you have to select the gallery symbol in the bottom right corner. We'll go to the gallery. Want to get out of the gallery, select the cross symbol in the top left corner. You'll come to this place. Again, go to scan. You have to select the camera. So likewise, we are having a whiteboard, book, document, ID card, and business card. We have to see the demonstration of the document and ID card. You use scan and whiteboard also, and business card also. You are able to scan. To get out of the scan, you have to select the symbol, triangle symbol, in the bottom right corner. You'll get out of this scan. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.